Hi guys, welcome to Pure GK World. Today, I'm going to introduce you with 3 apps which will be very useful for you and to secure your WhatsApp. You can lock your WhatsApp, personal and group chats, and app that help you to view deleted chats. Interesting, right? So let's get started. The very first app is WhatsApp Remove. So we will search for this app detects everything that they delete and shows you their content. In short, this app helps you to see the deleted messages. The interesting thing is, this app has been removed once from Google Play Store for violating WhatsApp terms and services. It has 4.3 rating and over 5 million downloads. Quite interesting. So, the second app is Chat Locker for WhatsApp. This app helps you to lock your personal chat as well as group chats. You can lock it with your passcode or fingerprint. The app ensures to safeguard your messages from anyone using or browsing your phone. With the same functionality, we have one more app with more rating with 4.6 user rating and more than 50k downloads. It has the same features like previous application, passcode and fingerprint lock, and can able to lock your personal and group chats. So, I hope you like these 2 applications. Try it and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Cheers.